Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 7 English Unit 3 Oil Spills. In today's class, we will do reading comprehension exercise B, page number 61. In this exercise, you have to fill the given table below. So take out your English literature notebooks, make a heading, and then make two columns. The first one for statements and the second one for reasons. You have to write a reason for each statement given from the text. The first statement is a meeting was held at the Sindh Secretariat. So why was a meeting held at the Sindh Secretariat after the oil spill? The reason is to review the position aroused due to the oil spillage, means to review, to analyze the condition of the disaster. The second statement is the different agencies had to submit a report on the disaster. Why were the different agencies supposed to submit a report on the disaster? The reason is so that the extent of the disaster may be analyzed. The reason is just like the same one, means to analyze, to review the condition, the extent, or to which point the disaster or the destruction had reached, just to analyze and just to review it so that certain measures and certain steps can be taken to overcome the disaster or to overcome the loss. The third statement is a case will be filed against the owner of the vessel. So why would a case be filed against the owner of the vessel, of the ship? The reason is that because of the carelessness of the owner, because yes, it was his carelessness that the oil spill took place. So because of the carelessness of the owner, it caused the immense oil spill. So he was responsible for the disaster. That is why a case was supposed to be filed against him. Number 4, the tanker was bringing a cargo of oil to Pakistan. Why was the tanker bringing a cargo of oil to Pakistan? Because the owner had a contract with Pakistan National Shipping Corporation, PNSC, and to complete that contract, he was bringing the cargo of oil to Pakistan. Number 5, the government cannot handle this disaster alone. So, why is the government not able to handle the disaster alone? The reason is that the government was not well prepared for the disaster. That is why it is unable to handle it alone. Number 6, it is not easy to detect the pollution in the atmosphere. So, why is it not easy? Why is it difficult to detect the pollution in the air? The reason is that because the vapors of the crude oil were odorless and colorless. Odorless means they did not have any specific smell, they were smellless, and they were colorless. They could not be seen in the air, so that is why it was difficult to detect them in the atmosphere. Number 7, oil slick is dangerous. Why is it dangerous? Because it kills the animals and humans who inhale it. It is very dangerous for the health of animals and humans. That is why we should take care of ourselves when any such thing happens. Your homework for today is to complete exercise B, page number 61 in your literature notebook. I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.